What's up, guys? Bitcoin update. Bearish. Okay, stay away from Bitcoin. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin in the main cryptos. And the other side, let's talk about the real money right here. 445% profit. Trades I share in the private list were Multichain, Wi-Fi map, Angola, and ARTMETA. The whole idea is my soft speak the move before the pump, so we buy together and sell up high. Take a look example here, Multichain. I shared this trade in the private list right here. Take a look this volume spark right here. On August 31 first, the volume of this coin was $550,000. 6 hours later, the volume was 945. That's amazing volume spark right here. If you go right here, my softest focus in volume spark plus buyer power. So Multichain, I shared this trade in the private list on September 2nd. We bought this coin for $1 and we put a sell order up here, daily resistance at $2.20. We made 115% profit. I made $11,000. Wi-Fi map. Take a look how many volume spark you have right here. Volume spark, volume spark, volume spark, volume spark. So I shared this trade in the private list on September 3rd. We bought this coin for 0.023 and we put a sell order up here. Daily resistance 0.045. 95% profit. I made 9,500. Guys, the whole idea is my soft speak those moves. Those moves, they are invisible, so you need a software to track this move. The move is volume spike plus buyer power. This is the pump combination. I share all my trades in the private list. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Give me a like this video, share, and remember, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Like I mentioned before, all those crypto markets going down because they follow Bitcoin. They have no volume available to pump the price. And the other side, we trade those coins right here because they are running on high volume. I already told you, volume is confirmation. Multichain, take a look at this volume here, $100 million. That's what I'm talking about. If I just made $45,000, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades. Plain and simple. If you don't like to trade crypto, we can trade for you and provide you 25 return of investment per week. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel, live in South Beach, Miami. Amazing returns, guys. 445% profit. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.